Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to export a SolidSteel parametric steel model to IFC and get it ready for use in BIM Workflows in just a few steps. This is a detailed steel hull, fully designed with SolidSteel parametric for SolidWorks. Starting with version 8, SolidSteel parametric can export models like this directly to IFC, the open standard for BIM data exchange. Let's open the IFC Export dialog. At the top, we can set the file path. Below that, the IFC version can be selected, either the older but widely used IFC 2x3 or the current standard IFC 4. The export scope lets us choose whether to export the entire assembly, selected assemblies or individual components only. In the spatial structure section, we can define some metadata of our model within the BIM hierarchy, from site and building down to story. Enter optional details about your assembly here. For the demonstration, I will keep it simple and only enter a project name. A click on the green checkmark starts the export. The export is sped up here. In real time, it took just over 2 minutes for nearly 3,000 elements, including over 200 beams, almost 400 plates, and more than 2,300 fasteners across 39 assembly groups. Once completed, a summary screen gives you a full overview of everything that was exported. We're now in BIM Explorer, an IFC viewer. Opening the file takes about 30 seconds, sped up again here. And there it is, the complete steel hull as an IFC model, ready for use in any BIM workflow. As you can see, the full model structure from SolidWorks is preserved in the spatial view, every component, right where it belongs. If you'd like to see how quickly you can export perfect DSDVNC or NC1 files with SolidWorks, check out the suggested video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.